Hey guys, today on this video I will show you how we can download and install Google Chrome on Windows 11 PC. So let's get started. First of all, to download Google Chrome on our computer, open Edge browser. So this is the Edge browser right here. And now let's go to google.com/Chrome. And let's download Chrome from this link. Click on download Chrome, and after Chrome is downloaded, click on open file right here. Now click on yes. Now you can see here the Google Chrome has been installed on our computer. Now if you would like to make Google Chrome the default browser on your computer, you can click on Start menu here. Now click on Settings and click on Apps and click on Default Apps, and here find Google Chrome. Click on Google Chrome, and you have to change Google Chrome on all of these. If you would like to open those file extension or link with Google Chrome, you have to change on all of those. So let me select Google Chrome on all of these. After that, the Google Chrome will be the default browser on your computer. So this is how we can download and install Google Chrome on Windows 11 and make it a default browser on our computer. So this much for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.